Question number 3. On comparing the ratios A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2. Find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. First of all, you should know that what is consistent, what is inconsistent. I am writing here, consistent means a pair of equations should have the solutions. Should have solutions. Okay. Inconsistent. What is mean by inconsistent? That means a pair of equations should not have any solutions. Should not have solutions. For example, parallel lines, they never intersect. See, they never intersect. Therefore, they have no solutions. Therefore, we can tell that these are inconsistent lines. They do not have solution. Let us come here. Find out A1 upon A2. What is that? 3 by 2. Again and again, I don't want to mention that, I think, suppose, because you already know what is A1, what is A2. What is B1 by B2? That is coefficient of y in first equation, that is 2. Here it is minus 3. Both are not equal. So we can tell that A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. Therefore, these are, tell me fast, these are intersecting lines. You know that already. You have seen one table in this chapter that will tell you everything. Okay. So this condition shows, means you can tell that these are intersecting lines which have one solution. Therefore, these are called, if the pair of equations have solutions, means which type it is? Consistent. Therefore, consistent. Second part, 2x minus 3y equal to 8, 4x minus 6y equal to 9. Check here. Find out A1 upon A2. That is what? 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. What is B1 upon B2? Minus 3 upon minus 6. That is what? 1 by 2. What is C1 upon C2? That is 8 upon 9. These two ratios are equal, but C1 upon C2 is not equal. Therefore, these are parallel lines. I am writing here, see, A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. Then we can tell that these are parallel lines, have no solution. If the pair of linear equations have no solutions, means these are called what? Inconsistent. Inconsistent lines. Okay. Third part. 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3 y equal to 7. 9x minus 10y, which is equal to 14. Find out what is A1 by A2. See, coefficient of x is what? 3 by 2 upon 9. So when it goes upside, we can tell that 3 by 2 into 9, that is 3 by 18. That means 1 by 6. B1 upon B2. 5 by 3 upon minus 10. That means when it goes up, we can tell that minus 5 by 3 into 10, yes, equal to minus 5 by 30, that is minus 1 by 6. Check these ratios, this is plus 1 by 6, this is minus 1 by 6. Both are not equal. Therefore, these are intersecting lines. These are intersecting lines, have one solution. Understood? If the pair of linear equations have one solution, then we can tell that these are consistent. Right over here, consistent lines.